Come on, bird.
Oh, you went on.
Yay!
Oh, it's just...
What'd it do?
It got to the fence. Obviously, it just slid down the fence into the bush. Yeah, behind that bush. Where that long shed is. That's good.
Oh well, off it went. Rescued.
Well done.
Well done, Jay. There you go, new job.
Sparrow hero. You got the other 10 out there.